am home. Daily vlogs are starting right now. They're starting today. Back to life, back to reality. It is so nice. That's a song, isn't it? Back to life, back to reality. Yes. Oh, today, oh my gosh, it's so nice to have like daily vlogs back. I'm sure you guys are just as excited as I am. Even though I vlogged every single day while we were on our cruise last week, I still wasn't able to upload anything because you can't upload anything on Wi-Fi. The computer and stuff just wouldn't work. I tried, but it just wouldn't work. But anyway, nonetheless, daily vlogs are starting now. I'm excited. Get excited about it. I am headed out of the house today. I am meeting London. I have not seen London since July. She and I are meeting up at Olive Garden today for some lunch. We're gonna run into HomeGoods really quick. I think I might run into HomeGoods before I meet her, so I gotta like get my tail out the door because Brian has a doctor's appointment today at 3 o'clock, so he'll be home at 2:30 so we could go to his doctor's appointment. So I'm kind of on a crunch time here, but she and I are going to meet for lunch at Olive Garden. I'm so excited to catch up with her and see what she's been up to, and yeah, just kind of reconnect and maybe make plans for something else in the future. Right now my schedule's still kind of busy through November, but I'm hoping excuse me, I'm hoping that maybe in December we could find something to do, I'm sure. But anyway, so let's go. I'm gonna head to HomeGoods and then Olive Garden. So let's go visit with London. All right, guys, so I have about 45 minutes before I have to meet with London. So I thought I would come in here to HomeGoods and see if they have any new Rae-Dunn stuff and maybe check out some of their Christmas stuff. And by the way, I'm wearing long sleeves and jeans because it's chilly. The temperature has finally dropped enough that I can actually wear fall clothes. That's nice, right? They have quite a few Rae-Dunn stuff. They have coffee and tea, which I love this. So absolutely getting that. That is so cute. I love this. So they actually have this one too, which is a nice serving bowl. That's $20. I love the feast. That is great. Wow. That'd be perfect for like brownies. That'd be perfect for whatever, right? This is great. I love this thing. I don't know if I want it though. I do like that. Oh, this is a witch's brew recipe. That's cute. That's a bowl. Not that one. But this one says witch's brew. 1 clove of garlic, 2 frog legs, a mouse skull, 1 stem of yarrow, a bundle of sage, and 2 eyeballs. That's cute for witch's brew. That's cute. How much is that? This one is $14.99. That's actually really cute. But I don't think I want that. Uh-oh. This is happy. I love that. This is great. Yeah, these are great. Alrighty guys, so I actually hit the mother load on Rae-Dunn stuff. Oh my god. So I'm gonna have to do like a whole separate video on the Rae-Dunn finds that I found. And yeah, quite interesting. I'm very, very excited about the Rae-Dunn stuff that I found. I actually went into TJ Maxx yesterday when I went to the bank, because I had to go to the bank yesterday and put money back in the bank that we didn't use on our cruise. So I went into TJ Maxx really quick just to see if I could find anything, and I did have some good luck finding a few Rae-Dunn things there. So I think I'm just gonna have to do like a sit down Rae-Dunn haul, because I got quite a few. Look, I mean, I got packages, like 3 bags full of Rae-Dunn stuff at HomeGoods. What? Oh my god. So yeah, so be looking forward to that Rae-Dunn haul, because I'm probably not done. I thought about stopping at TJ Maxx on this side of town before I head home, depending on how my stomach is feeling, just to see if there is anything in there that I could find. So I might try to do that on the way home. Just depends, like I said, on the time and how my belly feels after I'm done eating Olive Garden. But I got a text from London just a second ago. She said she is leaving now, so she is on her way, and I am just like 5 minutes from Olive Garden. So I thought I would take some, like, waste some time and go into, like, oh, I thought that was gonna be green. I'm like, why aren't you going then? Why aren't you going? But it wasn't green yet. Patience, Angie, patience. So I thought I would run into, is it right? Oh, it's right there. Oh, Joann Fabrics. So I think I'll go into Joann Fabrics really quick just to waste some time. Honestly, Joann Fabrics is always so freaking expensive. That's why I really don't ever go into Joann Fabrics, but I thought, well, I'll go in there really quick just to see what, if they have any of their Christmas stuff out. Now it's all about Christmas. Halloween is like next week, and I'm all about the Christmas. I'm all about the Christmas. So, you know what? I think I'm not. I think I'm just gonna go sit in the parking lot at Olive Garden. Yeah, my battery's dying anyway, so yeah, I just changed my mind. I don't feel like going to Joann Fabrics. So I actually ran into Barnes & Noble really quick. I wanted to get the new Sally Field book, and then I picked up 2 other books that I didn't get last time. I picked up those 2 books. I Love My Mommy, I Love My Daddy, so I picked those ones up for like my brother and his wife, and then I picked the same books up, I Love My Mommy, I Love My Daddy, for my niece Courtney. So now I have those, both of those books bought, and then I got my sister a book as well for Christmas. But I wanted to get that Sally Field book. I have not finished my other book yet that I bought 2 weeks ago for the cruise. I never actually really sat down and relaxed at all on the cruise, so I was kind of like, ooh, I never... Oh my gosh, so I did not vlog at all with London. I think she got me when I came in and said hi to her and met her husband, but I did not vlog at all, so I apologize to you guys for that. But I got to meet London's husband, and he is super, super nice guy. Such a great couple. I'm so glad that I got to finally meet him and then enjoy a nice lunch with London. So that was really, oh, and I enjoyed lunch with him as well, so super nice folks. I really enjoy her. If you guys are not subscribed to her channel yet, you need to go over there and subscribe to Life with London. How we met is quite interesting. She and I were in Vegas at the same time, and we didn't know who each other was at all. And she walked up to me when we were down on Fremont Street, and she said, "Are you a vlogger?" And I said yes. And ever since then we had kept in contact, because she lived in California at the time, and we had kept in contact, and yeah, and we became friends when she moved to Georgia. So that is how London and I met. So that was rather interesting. I always like telling our story because it's quite fun to say that we met like that. But anyway, so I am actually headed home now. It is about 12:30ish, and Brian will be home about 2:30, so that gives me kind of a little bit of time to go home and unwind, and then get a couple more things of laundry done, and maybe straighten up that bedroom back there of mine a little bit, because I really need to sit down and do some videos. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm so full from lunch though. I had chicken parmesan, which is my favorite, and I had salad and breadsticks. It was so good. But yeah, yay. So I'm gonna go home too. Oh, but I'll probably sit down. I might do my Rae Dunn video as well, because I was gonna do like just a separate Rae Dunn video of all the Rae Dunn stuff that I got. So yeah, I might do that as well. But yay. Oh, and I stopped off at Barnes & Noble too. Did I say that earlier? I stopped off at Barnes & Noble, and I'll show you guys what I got at Barnes & Noble when I get home. So time to go home. Alrighty guys, so I made it home, and I'm actually gonna go outside and get the mail really quick, but I also wanted to show you guys our these ghosts that Brian had put outside on our front of the house. Like, I wouldn't do these, but when I moved him, he got mad. He's like, "That is my decoration, so leave him alone." So I left them alone, but they look like penises. So I'm just gonna share the penis ghosts with you. So these are our penis ghosts. There's one there, and there's one there. So Brian's little penis ghosts are super, super cute. Oh my God. And I'm not the only one who like noticed that. While we were gone, my neighbor, I think she was walking and she took a picture and she's like, I really like your penis ghosts. So yeah, I told Brian, I'm like, we need to take those down. And he's like, no, we're not taking them down. They're so cute. I'm like, okay, fine. And then he has like those ghosts over here and a pumpkin over there, which I'm like, they're like, I don't want these things there, but oh well. And then he has this one hanging. It's like, seriously, dude. But I'm leaving them alone because he placed them there. That's definitely not a place where I would put that ghost, or excuse me, that pumpkin. But he likes it. So I'm leaving it alone. He decorated the outside, so I'm just gonna let him have his moment. But little penis ghosts, aren't they the cutest? Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna grab the mail and then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I got from Barnes & Noble really quick. Oh, okay, I got a lot of mail. Hold on. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the books that I picked up. As soon as it focuses on me. Okay, thank you. The books that I picked up at Barnes & Noble. Alrighty, the first book that I picked up was In Pieces by Sally Field. I wanted to read this book. I've heard so many good things about it and I really like her as an actress. So I'm really excited to start reading that book. It'll be a little bit because I'm still reading my other one that I got a couple weeks ago. And then I picked these up. I had picked these same books up a couple of weeks ago and I was gonna give one to my niece and one to my brother, but I did get the other set, so this one's gonna go to my niece or my brother, whichever, because I already have a set like this. So I just thought these were super, super cute. And then I got this one for my sister because she and I both are huge fans of The Wizard of Oz, and every year for Christmas we always get something for each other that have to do with The Wizard of Oz. So I got this book for her and I'm very excited to give this to her at Christmas time. So these are the things that I picked up at Barnes & Noble. And then I'm gonna sit down and probably do my Rae Dunn haul with you guys for now, but I think that's it for now. I'm gonna call it a day. I have to take Brian to the doctor here very, very shortly. Yeah, he'll be home in about an hour and 20 minutes or so, and I haven't gotten anything done around this house because I was with London this morning, so which is fine. I don't have a problem. And then Brian is actually leaving tomorrow. He has got to go to Huntsville, and then he's got to go to Columbus, Georgia tomorrow. Not tomorrow, Columbus, Georgia on Friday. And I was gonna go with him, but I'm like, I do not want to go anywhere again. I'm just gonna like stay home. So he is gonna be gone from Wednesday to Friday, and I'm gonna be here, and I do not want to have to pack my stuff, but I have to pack his stuff up for tonight. So that way he can leave tomorrow morning. So with that being said, I am going to go sit in there. You guys can see the bags in there. I'm gonna go sit in there and I'm gonna do my Rae Dunn haul and share with you guys a few of the things that I have picked up for the past couple of days at TJ Maxx and HomeGoods. And I'm so excited to share this Rae Dunn stuff with you. I like hit the mother load. So I'll probably have that video up on Thursday. So be looking for that. I will see you guys tomorrow in my next vlog. Bye.